Hi, this is Heather Castro with Legends Realty, and this is 2400 Leaning Pine Street in Ocoee, Florida. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath pool home with 2,094 square feet. Come take a look inside. As you come in, you have your foyer. You have your living room. This home does not have any carpet. Tile and laminate wood throughout. Neutral gray colors. This home does feature a split floor plan. This is the front of the home. Have your first guest bedroom. Guest bathroom, stand-up shower and a bathtub. Your second guest bedroom. This is the third. And the primary bedroom is a split floor plan on the other side of the house. So you have your 3 bedrooms over here, and the master is over here. So the master is at the rear of the house, primary bedroom. Master bathroom, dual sinks, garden tub, walk-in shower. Have a private toilet room. And a walk-in closet, as well as a linen closet. All right, so this is your entertaining space. You do have your kitchen with stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar. This is your family room area. Also have a eat-in kitchen and washer and dryer, utility room. And this is the garage. So if you enter through the garage, you'll come through the utility room into the family room kitchen area. You do have a covered patio and screened-in pool. The pool is getting an estimate to be resurfaced, and then it will be cleaned. So ignore the color of the pool. It's raining outside. You do have a fenced-in yard and screened-in patio. Thank you for touring 2400 Leaning Pine Street in Ocoee. Have a great day.